Professional alignment shops may look high-tech and expensive, but alignment really comes down to just three angles: caster, camber, and toe. QuickTrick DIY kits deliver the accuracy of those machines without the cost or complexity. From our fifth-generation QuickString to caster and camber kits, toe kits, and turn plates, every QuickTrick tool is designed for precision in your own garage. With less than 1% returns, full warranty, and tech support from our team here in the USA, QuickTrick gives you the confidence to take control of your alignment. Whether you drive a car, truck, SUV, or ATV, there's a QuickTrick kit designed for you. Choose your kit today and start saving your tires and your wallet. QuickTrick DIY alignment. Accurate, portable, affordable, and built for the do-it-yourself enthusiast. Proudly manufactured in the USA for over 15 years.